Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. I'm back again. Today is election day in America. Ooh, yeah! Go and vote. Go Hillary. Please win. But yeah, I'm supposed to make a video today. Welcome again to all new subscribers. Well, alright, let me show you what I are. This little kitty here. I know a lot of people like kitty or cats, but this little kitty come from next door and phoned me. You hungry? You want milk? Yeah, so alright. Come from next door. And I carried him over yesterday and he's been coming back every night. So it's a neighbor's cat. A Mexican neighbor's cat. I carried him over yesterday, but he seemed to be sleeping under the garage. You hungry? I don't have food for you, you know? I don't have cat food or anything. You want yeah, flea. See a scratch there, flea man from. Yeah. Okay. You want milk? Want some of my almond milk? Alright, I'm gonna give you some milk. Alright, give me a second. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on with animals. Animals seem to like me. But yeah. But I hope you guys go out and vote. I hope, you know, you do what you're supposed to do and bring the country together. And stuff like that. Just do the right thing. You know, make your voice be heard. It's big. So you guys have to go out and vote and ensure that, you know, you unite as one people. So tonight is going to be big. I'll be watching it. I love to watch these stuff, debates, politics, everything like that. State by state. It's on the TV. Direct TV or CNN have the feature where you can see the percentage by each state, which is very, very nice. I'll be watching that. I'll be on the computer. And Kitty seem to like me. Yeah, the cat seem to like me. I won't take with the neighbor's cat though. Because I can't feed her. Is a boy or a girl though? Come on, let's see if it's a boy or a girl. Oh, why you want to play with me? Huh? Is a girl? You're a girl? Yeah, it's a female. She's a she. See? She want to play. She want to play. You want to play? Rub your belly. Oh. She want to rub my belly. Hey, why you fight me? Why you fight me? Why you fight me? Hey, Kitty, you fight me? Yeah, say hello to the vlog, yes. But yeah, anyway, so that's a little cat there. So yeah, but yeah, I'm an animal person. I like animals. I just don't like certain animals like snake. And I don't like pit bulls. Whatever. Pit bulls are dangerous and they're killers. Killer dogs should be left in the wild because they're vicious. So yeah, I like smaller animals, you know, cats and stuff like that. We used to have a cat named Jules. Way back when I was a child, we used to have a cat. So I like cats. You know, they're cool. So yeah, but yeah. JVLOGS guys, I just want to come on and let you guys know that you need to vote. You need to go out and vote for the right cause. You know, vote for Hillary and the Democrats. You don't know, not taking back my talk, my chat. Don't know. Just go out and vote and represent for the peace side. You don't know. Trump and his supporters won't even talk about them. But yeah, I like my sideburns. This side chip out though. A little of this side here kind of chip a little, but yeah, don't know. But yeah, alright guys, you guys must be saying, oh, he's in the same shirt that he videoed the last one. Yes fam, I repeat my clothes like daily. Every day I wear the same shirt, every day. Same shirt every day. Same shirt, same pants every day fam. All grey, don't know, but yeah. May I give the kitty some milk? and then I carry him back next door. So, alright, thanks for watching JVLOGS, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed the little kitty. Whoever that like cats, let me give you one more shot. She's playing right there. See, she's playing with the rock, with the block there. Setting up to attack. Setting up to attack. 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 Oh yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching again. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. I'm out.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay.